Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. With all that is new in this emerging tech world, Vivo is working on a new smartphone, Vivo X100. It will have a 64 megapixel camera sensor with a periscope module, 100 periscope lens with frame 2.5 aperture, designed for low light photography. OmniVision OV64B 64 megapixel 1 by 2 inch sensor with 4-in-1 binning will be featured. Collaboration with Zeiss for Vario Apo sonar lenses. Primary camera likely to be a custom 53 megapixel Sony sensor. Mr. Hariharan appointed as Group CEO of Reddington Limited. He has over 25 years of experience in sales, marketing and management. His career began at Wipro and included 18 years at Hewlett Packard in Singapore. Founded a company focused on solar solutions for emerging markets. Recognized for his strategic insights and leadership abilities. Chairman Professor J. Ramachandran expressed confidence in Hariharan's future contributions. Next up, we have Moto G84 5G launched yesterday on 1st September and Moto G54 5G launching on 6th September. Both phones will be available on Flipkart and are inadvertently listed on Reliance Digital. Specs for Moto G84 5G are 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage at Rs 19,999. Specs for Moto G54 5G are 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage at Rs 14,999, 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage at Rs 18,999. Galaxy A05 design and specifications leaked. Features include a MediaTek Helio G85 processor and 4 GB RAM, 720 into 1600 pixels HD plus display with 300 ppi pixel density. Android 13 based operating system with Samsung's One UI skin, vertical line design pattern, notched display, and dual camera setup. Improvements in SoC compared to the previous generation. Next up, we have new design for Android interface to be introduced in 2023. Revamped upper app bar in white with green text logo. New label styles like all, unread, personal, and business for filtering checks. Design aims to enhance aesthetics and user navigation. Updates shared on the WhatsApp beta channel. Possible challenge distinguishing between the label cells. Elista announces the ELS V2210 HD LED Ultra Slim Big Screen Monitor made in India, 54.61 cm, bezel-less display with enhanced visuals. MRP at Rs 15,999, introductory price of Rs 6,999. Compatible with VGA and HDMI inputs. Supports multiple operating systems designed for immersive gameplay and increased productivity. Addresses power users' needs, ensuring seamless hardware-software interaction. At last, PlayStation Plus announces games for September. Games include Saints Row, Black Desert Traveler Edition, and Generation Zero. Saints Row 2022, an action-adventure reboot of the franchise. Generation Zero, a stealth action game set in a machine-dominated world. Black Desert, an open-world MMORPG where players uncover lost memories. Available from 5 September to 2 October. Collaboration, exploration, and role-playing emphasized in the games. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.
आपको भी कुछ ऐसा मैसेज आया? ये एक ब्रॉडकास्ट टेस्टिंग मैसेज है। इंडिया के नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशन विद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि जैसे कभी अर्थक्वेक आता है, कोई भी ऐसा डिजास्टर आता है, लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ता है टाइम पे, एंड इसकी टेस्टिंग चल रही है। तो आपको भी कुछ ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन आएगा इससे घबराना नहीं है, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर टेस्टिंग और आपको अलर्ट करने के लिए आया है। तो अगर आपको ऐसे अमेजिंग टेक शॉट चाहिए तो IT वॉइस को जरूर फॉलो करें और दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करें ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेटिव रील, ताकि आप भी टाइमली सतर्क रह पाएं और इस सारी चीज़ों से बच पाएं। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट रील।